Okay, so we have new disks in our Proxmox Backup Server. We've added them in last video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove them. So it's a bit tricky. There's quite a few steps. It's not just one click, they'll be gone. There's a few steps, so watch me doing that. So first go in your Proxmox Backup Server to storage disks, go to directory and remove what we've created before. Remove backups. Okay, we can remove it. So let's go here to datastore backups and to options and remove that one. Let's select destroy. Now let's go to disks, directory, and remove that one. Okay, that has been removed. Storage disks. Now let's wipe it. We don't have to wipe it, but it's always good. Wipe it, why not? So yeah, I think that's all down on that side. We go now to Proxmox cluster or your node, and let's stop that. Sorry, it's down. Let's stop that backup server shutdown, because we have to go to hardware and remove that 2 terabytes disk that we've added. So detach, select the disks and detach. Yes, that's been detached. No problemo. So now we have to go to data center and go to backup and delete any backups that we've created for that. Remove. I've created backup before. I'll show you how to do it next video, but probably you don't have it now. And go to storage, remove that PBS ZFS, remove it. And we have to go to that node where we created ZFS, and we have to delete that ZFS here. PBS ZFS. That's gonna take a few seconds. It's done. So let's go to node and to disks, and we can wipe it. We don't have to because we cleaned them before, but for the sake of that video, let's wipe it. So now we can start the backup server again. It should start. Yeah, so I'm logged in that server now. Storage disks, I can see that 2 terabyte disk, nothing in data store. So yeah, we golden. We removed it, and we can add it again if you like. I show you how to do that in the last video. So go to that video and add the disks again. Thank you very much for watching. Next video, I'll show you how to create backups. I have like Ubuntu VM here, and we're going to back up that one.